of the beauty and style that tile brings to any home or building application, finding grout that will withstand time, wear, and the elements has been a challenge confronted by builders for centuries. Staining and cracking are just some of the problems linked with cement grout. Limitations in the number of available colors create headaches as well. However, until now, designers, contractors, and homeowners have had little alternative. Grout International has developed a revolutionary new grout to solve all these age-old installation grout problems, while adding design flexibility as well. Grout Spectra Lock Pro Grout has been developed to provide all the features and benefits sought by building professionals and homeowners alike. Strength. Spectra Lock Pro meets ANSI A118.3 performance requirements, which means that Spectra Lock Pro exceeds the toughest commercial criteria, providing you a worry-free installation. Stain resistance. Spectra Lock Pro is always cleanable to the original color. Color consistency. The color you select today will remain that color tomorrow and every day after that. Color selection. Spectra Lock Pro is available in 40 lifestyle colors, which, when combined with the optional Dazzle component, produce 220 metallic, pearl, and glow-in-the-dark color combinations, the largest selection available in the market. Stops mold before it takes hold. Spectra Lock Pro inhibits the growth of stain-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew in grout joints with Microban antimicrobial product protection. Virtually maintenance-free. Easy to install and easy to clean. No more scrubbing grout joints with harsh cleansers. Simply clean with soap and water for a beautiful, durable finish. Grout Spectra Lock Pro is easy to install for professional and homeowner alike. Before you begin, take a minute to double-check the substrate condition. Sweep or vacuum the tile surface and open grout joints to remove debris or standing water. Be sure to remove any grout spacers. Clean the tile surface of dirt and residual film from adhesive setting material with a damp sponge. The surface temperature range for installation of grout should be above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees centigrade, and less than 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees centigrade. It is important to remember that Grout Spectra Lock Pro grout, like other sanded grouts, may scratch glass tiles, soft or polished marble and stone, soft glazed and handmade tiles. You should always test the grout on a small area to avoid damage and ensure compatibility. If you have any questions before you begin, refer to the product data sheet and how to install guide for detailed installation instructions. Mixing Grout Spectra Lock Pro grout is easy. First, make sure you have all the necessary tools for the installation. Clean pails, fresh water, extra sponges and white nylon scrub pads, margin trowel or low-speed mixer, grout float. Verify you have all the components you require for this installation, both A and B liquid components, Part C color powder, Dazzle component diffused. Cut open the Part A liquid component pouch and pour into a clean pail. Make sure to squeeze all the liquid out of the pouches. It helps to fold each pouch in half and roll up like a toothpaste tube. Next, open and add the Part B liquid component to the pail. Mix the Part A and B liquids thoroughly, making sure to blend all liquid from the sides and bottom of the pail until a consistent mix is achieved. Now add the Part C color powder to the blended Part A and B liquids. Mix thoroughly with a margin trowel or slow-speed drill mixer, less than 300 RPM. Laticrete SpectraLock Pro Grout is designed to use all the Part C color powder for most applications. For narrow wall joints, less than 1/16 of an inch, 1.5 millimeters, it is acceptable to leave out up to 10% Part C color powder to produce a more fluid mix. The Part D Dazzle component allows you to develop up to 220 different options of metallic, pearl, and glow-in-the-dark grout colors. Dazzle can complement a metallic or glass tile, or enhance a plain ceramic tile or stone installation. When using Part D Dazzle powder, you need to follow these simple instructions. Mix Part D Dazzle component into the blended Part A and B liquids before adding the Part C color powder. Use 1 Part D Dazzle cup per mini unit, 4 Part D Dazzle cups per full unit, 16 Part D Dazzle cups per commercial unit. Always be careful mixing, as Part D Dazzle powder is light and will become airborne easily. Once this is blended with the liquids, add Part C color powder to the mix, leaving out an amount equal to or slightly more than the volume of Part D Dazzle component used. Use the empty Part D Dazzle cup with a measured fill line to hold back the appropriate amount of Part C color powder. You will not be able to add all of the Part C color powder when using Part D Dazzle powder. You will want to mix to a desired consistency. Laticrete SpectraLock Pro Grout allows for an effortless installation due to the exceptional workability, long pot life, and smooth, creamy consistency of the technologically advanced formula developed by Laticrete. When the grout is mixed to the proper consistency, it is ready to be installed. Using a hard rubber grout float, spread the grout across the tile by holding the float at a 45-degree angle to the tile. This will help you correctly fill the joints. Cut off the excess grout material by diagonally pulling the grout float across the surface at a 90-degree angle. Place excess grout cut off the tile back into the mixing pail. The more excess grout you remove, the easier it will be to clean up afterwards. 20 to 30 minutes after grout has been installed, it is time to begin the initial cleaning. Waiting time will vary depending on the surface temperature. Wait longer at colder temperatures and shorter at warmer temperatures. Begin by adding the initial wash cleaning additive to 2 gallons, 7.6 liters of clean water and mix until fully dissolved. Submerge clean sponge into treated cleaning water and wring until damp. Wipe grout joints and tile surface in a light circular motion, loosening grout residue while making the joints smooth. Drag the clean sponge diagonally over the scrubbed surfaces to remove grout residue. Change water with cleaning additive mixture every 50 square feet, 4.7 square meters, when using multiple units. Rinse the sponge after every pass. Use each side of the sponge only once between rinsing. Discard sponges when they become gummy with residue. Always check work as you progress. Repair any low spots with additional grout at this time. Begin final cleaning approximately 1 hour after initial wash has taken place. Prepare another 2 gallons, 7.6 liters of clean water, and pour in the final wash cleaning additive packet and mix until fully dissolved. Follow the same process as in the initial wash. Use the clean white scrub pad in place of the sponge to break apart any leftover residue. Rinse the scrub pad frequently. Finally, using a clean sponge, wipe diagonally over the scrubbed surfaces to remove froth and residue. Use each side of the sponge only once before rinsing. Change water with cleaning additive mixture at least every 50 square feet, 4.7 square meters, when using multiple units. After completing the washing and inspection process, protect the finished surface from traffic for at least 12 hours at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius. Laticrete SpectraLock Pro Grout is available in several convenient packaging configurations to accommodate the smallest to the largest installation. And with over 40 lifestyle colors to choose from, the design possibilities are endless. By mixing any of the 40 colors with our Dazzle components, you produce over 220 metallic, pearl, and glow-in-the-dark components. Only Laticrete offers such a wide range of colors and design flexibility. Unmatched performance, extended workability, strength, stain resistance, color consistency, largest color selection, stops mold before it takes hold, virtually maintenance-free. Laticrete SpectraLock Pro Grout. Is there really any other choice?